Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making a puree potato soup. We might add a little bit of cream to it to make it a cream of potato soup. I'm undecided on that yet, but either way, we'll go through that at the end. So we're going to jump right in. Over here we have some mirepoix. We have onions, celery, and carrots that are all chopped. And I have a lot of chopped garlic as well. I'll put a list of all the ingredients in the description down below. We're going to start off by sauteing this. So I have a pot. I'm going to put just a tablespoon or so of olive oil in it. I'm going to saute this for probably about 5 minutes, I'm guessing, but I will show you what it looks like when we're done. So I'll see you in a few minutes. So our carrots, celery, and onions and garlic have been sauteing for right about 5 minutes. It's starting to get a little dark. I don't really want it too dark, so I'm going to add my potatoes at this point. I have 8 pounds of potatoes that have been large diced. And now, next thing I'm going to add is chicken stock. If you want to keep this as a vegan dish, you can do a vegetable stock. And really you want it just so it covers the potatoes. That's probably pretty good. I might add just a drop more water. And we're going to bring this up to a boil. Once it comes up to boil, we will turn it down to simmer and let it simmer until the potatoes are cooked, at which point I'll show you what it looks like. See you shortly. So our soup has been cooking for a while at this point, and the potatoes are pretty soft. I'm going to take one out and show it to you. Like you see, it mushes pretty good. Next thing we're going to do, there's a little bit of fat buildup. So I'm just going to skim that right off.
Like so.
I've tasted my soup and it's definitely a bit bland. Before I was just using chicken stock. I'm going to fortify this with some chicken base, and I will be putting this in the description below. And I also have a little bit of black pepper. So I'm going to take that and stir this in. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to be pureeing the soup. So I'm going to strain this out and I'll show you what we're going to do with it. See you shortly. So I put all of our potatoes and vegetables in a strainer. There's still some liquid in here, that's fine. You'll need it to puree it. If you have a stick blender, you could just stick the stick blender directly into the soup and puree it that way. I don't have a stick blender with me, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way and just put it into a regular blender. It's probably pretty good. Maybe. There you go. After 4 tries. That's pretty good. And we're just going to keep doing this until all of the potatoes are pureed, potatoes and vegetables. And I will show you what it looks like when we're all done. So as I'm getting to the bottom of this, all the liquid has drained out of it. So I definitely want to take some of the other liquid and add it to this. If this is too dry, it's not going to puree. So you definitely want to make sure that there is some liquid in here when you're pureeing it. Just like so. And continue onward. And we'll continue with the rest of it. So I finished pureeing our potato soup. And take a look at it. Nice thick soup. You can serve it just as is. Right now it's completely vegan. Assuming you use a vegetable stock, it's completely vegan. And I'm going to put some in a bowl. If you're making a lot of soup, then you can reheat this. I'm just going to stir in ½ ounce of cream because I like a cream soup. If you're vegan, obviously you're not using cream. And also, if you want to keep it a little lower in calorie, don't add the cream, because cream is very, very high in calories. It was piping hot just a minute ago, so I'm not really worried about reheating it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheddar, because I like cheddar on mine. You can add scallions, cheddar, sour cream, anything like that. And we're good to go. Cheers. And that is delicious. Seriously delicious. So anyway, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Be safe.